Ever wondered about the buzzword big data and how it's transforming our world? Well, today's topic delves into the fascinating realm of big data, breaking it down for beginners and those curious about this field of data science. Big data refers to extremely large data sets that may be analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends, and associations. It's a field that intersects technology, business, and statistical methods. The first step to understanding big data is recognizing its characteristics, often referred to as the 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Volume represents the amount of data, which in the case of big data is massive. Velocity refers to the speed at which this data is generated and processed. Variety touches on the different types of data we deal with, from structured data like databases to unstructured data like social media posts. Veracity represents the reliability and accuracy of data. Finally, value is all about turning data into business value. The second step is to understand the big data technologies. Hadoop and Spark are two of the most popular technologies used in big data processing. Hadoop is an open-source software framework for storing data and running applications on clusters of commodity hardware. Spark, on the other hand, is an open-source distributed computing system that provides high-level APIs in Java, Scala, Python, and R, and an optimized engine that supports general computation graphs for data analysis. The third step is understanding the role of big data in decision-making. Companies use big data to improve operations, provide better customer service, create personalized marketing campaigns based on customer preferences, and even predict trends. The fourth step is understanding the challenges of big data. These include capturing data, data storage, data analysis, search, sharing, transfer, visualization, querying, updating, and information privacy. To summarize, big data is a rapidly evolving field with vast potential. It's characterized by the 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Understanding the technologies involved, especially Hadoop and Spark, is essential. Big data plays a critical role in decision-making across numerous industries, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. So, step into the intriguing world of big data. It's not just about handling large amounts of information, it's about finding innovative ways to derive value from this data, improve decision-making, and create a strategic advantage. It's about turning a wealth of information into a wealth of knowledge.